Thank you for watching this video. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be showing you what you will get if you want us to build a school management system to run your school successfully online today. This is a complete and professional school management system where you can manage multiple schools from one central location. School can receive fees and other payments online. Teachers can conduct live class and so on like that. We create different accounts with different features for teachers, students, parents, school library, school accountants, and even school drivers and school administrators. This website will have all the features and functionality that a professional school management system website must have. There are some apps where you can be paying monthly for school management system. It's already set up, but instead of you paying for this monthly, you know how much you'll be paying at the end of the year. And instead of you paying that, what if you have everything at once and you have it for life and nobody can take it away from you? So now let me show you a very quick demo of the website that we'll be building or we'll be creating for you. The website will cover both front end, which your visitors will see, and as well as the back end from your end. I mean the back end, what you can see from your own hand, maybe the data that people are filling online, or how you can change something, how you can manipulate some things, how you can upload, remove, and other things, and the numbers of students like that. So this is how the website will look like. Okay, this is how the website will look like to your audience, and here is the back end of the website, like how a teacher can manage students, their attendance, fees, and all those things, and similarly how students can log in into their website and see things related to their account. For example, if I am a student or if I'm a parent, I can come, and then over here it will have the student details like the photo of the student, name of the student, enrollment numbers, roll number, class number, father's name, ID card. If they lost their ID card, they can simply click on these print options and they can print the ID card again. So we have these options as well. They can also see what is the total amount or what is the total fee that they have to make and how much they have paid and what is the due amount. Then over here, if they have the due amount, they will see it over here. So if there is any notice on the notice board, they can see that notice over here. On this one, there is only one notice, but you can create multiple notices. You can create as many as you want, and you can control the animation, how the thing is scrolling up and down or scrolling left and right, how slow or fast this thing will go. You can control everything. Then if you want to make any payments, you can click on fees invoice and make payments. If this parent or student want to make the payment, they can click on pay now and they can make the payment through credit card, debit card, or even bank transfer. If teacher posts any study material, this student or parent can see that study material here. So whether it is any post or any link to video or image, they can click on view and they can see those things over here. So if teacher posts any homework, this student can click on view, and if they want to submit their homework, they can click on submit homework and they can upload the file, maybe the document or PDF. They can upload it so that the teacher can check it and give them a mark as they work. We have seen notice board. If there is any notes events, the future, for example, there's some inter-school cricket tournament in the future, you can see they can click on this view link to read more about the events. So another thing is students can see the timetable of the class. They can click here to print the timetable. If there is any live class going on, they can also join via Zoom. We have the library option. We have the library option. If these students have taken any book from the library, they can see those details then. if there is any exam coming in the future, you can also see it and the timetable. You can also see it and the timetable here. So students can also print the admit card in case you want to publish admit card for this exam. So people must have this admit card to get into the exam, or just like in school, people who have paid or who have made full payment will have one particular card to enter into exam. So any student without that card, they won't be able to enter into exam. So another feature, students and parents can see the exam results from here. Certificate attendance. For example, if I want to see the attendance of the person or this student in June 2023, I can see it. You can see this student has only 1 day attendance, no absent. You can also submit any leave request. So let's log out from the student as to log into teacher's account. After logging in, this teacher will see the backend. Teacher can control the attendance, create a new timetable, manage homework, and add anything on the notice board. For example, if this teacher wants to take attendance for today, they can click on attendance, they can click on take attendance, and after that they can select the date. So maybe this is for today's Saturday. I can click on manage attendance because I have only created only 1 student, so I can see only 1 student in this class. In class 1A, if there are hundreds of 50 or 30 students, you will see a list of all the students who is present. You can just mark them present. Who is absent, you can just mark them absent. So if today is holiday, you can just mark all holiday. You can also create account for your library, for your librarian rather. You can also create account for your librarian. For your transport guys, the one who manage the transport, you can create an account for your teachers. You can also assign certain teachers for certain classes. So everything will be in record safe in this website database. You can create an account for librarian. That librarian can manage how many books are there in the library. If any student has taken any book, this thing will be safe in the database, so you don't have to maintain any book or any paperwork like that. Everything will be maintained digitally on your database, and doing this thing is super simple, which we will show you how to do that once we are done. So these are the features of the solution you'll be getting. We are giving you for 20% discount today. Fill the form below and our customer care representative will get back to you and talk about your project. So we build any type of website too. So it's not only school management app. We build websites, mobile application, both Android and iOS, and web application. Any type of website at all, just get in touch with us and we will get back to you. Thank you. We hope to see you and we hope to work with you. Love you.